next item is HTML code, which is very similar to the code element, and this is the icon. This is also a very self-explanatory. The image is also very simple. It just adds an image to the page. This I have already showed you when we were adding a form. This is your simple HTML link. Now let's go to this list item. This is a simple HTML list with some Bootstrap styles, so you can add as many items as you want, like this. And I'll just press Ctrl D a few times to repeat this. And this is, you have like many different ways of rendering your list. So you can like render it horizontally, or using these check marks, or using like this. You can even add badges to your list. Like if you want to say like this item has some badge like 5, and this will help you to change your list. Like this will turn this list into div, or this will render it as a UL tag. So, and if I toggle this on, now I can even link these items. Like I can like link it to say link 1,